In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify logo step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left sidebar. Next, select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the theme editor, go to Theme Settings and look for the Logo section. Click on Select Image or Change Logo to upload your new logo from your computer. After uploading, you can adjust the logo size and positioning to make sure it looks perfect on your store. Take a moment to preview your changes and see how the logo appears on desktop and mobile views. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes to your Shopify store. A professional logo helps strengthen your brand identity and makes your store look more trustworthy and memorable to customers. Thanks for watching.